Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. It's David here. Today we are going to be making almond flour chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are soft, chewy, and the best of all, they are gluten-free. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and set it aside. In a large bowl, place softened butter and sugar. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add large egg, vanilla extract, and mix until all incorporated. Now let's add the almond flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix until we have a smooth dough. Now add the chocolate chips. Give it a good stir to make sure they are evenly distributed. Medium-sized ice cream scoop. Scoop a portion of the dough and drop dough balls onto prepared baking tray. Leave some space between each cookie to allow them for spreading. Slightly flatten the cookies. And top with extra chocolate chips. This step is optional. Before I send these beauties to the oven, I wanted to ask you, did you know I have an e-cookbook? It's called Joyful Kitchen and it's packed with 101 healthy and easy to follow recipes. Perfect for everyday meal from breakfast to dessert. Each recipe is foolproof, ensuring your success in the kitchen. This ebook is dedicated to my passion for creating healthy and easy recipes. Click the link in the description and grab a copy. Now, let's bake these beauties. Let the cookies cool slightly on the baking tray and then transfer them to a cooling rack. And let them cool completely. Now, let's taste it. I already can feel that the texture is soft and chewy. Wow! Very soft. Super soft, super chewy, the perfect gluten-free cookie. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.